Have a seat. So how's your life going?
My life, normal lah. How's your life?
Fine, not good.
Not good.
Yeah.
Advance.
Yeah, at
It is
my-
Sasi.
Yeah, only Sasi.
Too much of homework, huh?
Yeah. School holiday time also must come. What is this?
What is this?
Holiday not fun. Not happy.
They call lah.
Hello.
Production is going on live. Get back to your script. But just before that, let us recap the lesson we had on our previous day. Say I give you this situation. Mazura, Suraya and Aisha all live in a row. Opposite Mazura is where Muhammad stays. Shelva and Amira stays in the same row with him. But Shelva and Amira are not next to each other neighbors. Now can you tell me how many rows and columns are there in this problem-solving question? And can you also draw for me the plan of their location? I give you exactly 3 minutes. All the best. Did you get the same answer like mine? Congratulations! Suraya, Mazura and Aisha lives in the first row, while Shelva, Muhammad and Amira lives in the second row. So number of rows is 2. Number of columns is 3. And this is how their location looks like.
First subtopic. Okay, come here. Go. Types of matrices.
matrix A and matrix B. Look at their orders. 1, 2. 1, 2. Since they have the same orders, they are called equal matrices. And that indicates their corresponding elements are equal.
That means Kuhen at element 1, 1 on the left will be equals to the element B, 1, 1 on the right, which is Cassandra. And Dharmesh at the element A, 1, 2 will be equals to the element B, 1, 2, Amira. Say we have matrix A, which is made of the students, and matrix B, which is made of some objects. And I tell that both matrices are equal. Therefore, who would be the element that represents the original cream cracker biscuit tin? Can you guess? Yes, you're right. That will be Amira. Now tell me, who would be representing the sponge? Excellent. It will be Kirtana. One more question. Which object represents Shelva? Is it the shoe or the Dettol hand wash? Good job. Yes, it is the Dettol hand wash. Therefore, Cassandra will be matched with her element, the shoe.
Second subtopic of matrices. Addition, subtraction of matrices.
So say we have two matrices, matrix A and matrix B, and we would like to add them. When they are matrix of A and B, all we have to make sure when we add or subtract is the order of the matrix. This order is 2 times 2. This order is also 2 times 2. As they are equal in order, therefore we will be able to add or subtract these matrices. When I'm adding matrices, all I have to do is add the elements corresponding to each another. If this is 1, 1, then 4 will be added to the 1, 1 element on the B, which is 6. So, when I'm adding this will be 4 plus 6. And moving on to the next element, negative 3 plus negative 7. 1 plus negative 2 and 5 plus 1. 4 plus 6, 10. Negative 3, positive negative, negative 7. 1 plus negative 2, that will be 1 minus 2. 5 plus 1, 6. The final answer, 10, negative 10, negative 1, 6.
Okay, right now we're going to do the subtraction of matrix. So in subtraction of matrix, the same rules apply as the addition of matrix. So, but you have to be careful for negative numbers. So right now all you have to do is to subtract them. 2 minus 9, 11 minus negative 7, 3 minus 6, and negative 4 minus 5. And now solve them. 2 minus 9 is negative 7, 11, negative is positive, negative 3, negative 9. And the final answer will be negative 7, 18, negative 3, and negative 9. That's it.
As explained in previous examples, when we are given two matrices, we can actually add them up or subtract them based on corresponding elements. This is, however, involving unknowns such as x and y. It is given that when matrix A is added to matrix B, the result that is obtained is this matrix C. So we know when 2x is added with 3, the result is negative 1. And I can write that out as plus 3. This way equals to negative 1. I do the same with the next row. 8 plus y minus 5, and that should be equals to 5. And the last, 13 plus negative 2, that should be equals to 11. Always the one which has got the numericals will be your checking point. So if 13 added with negative 2, we obtain the same answer as given, 11, then we know this matrix is actually an equal matrix to this. Therefore, 2x plus 3 is actually equals to negative 1. We just have to solve this to obtain our x. Negative 1 minus 3, negative 4, and x would be negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2. Whereas, if I'm finding my y, 8 plus y minus 5 is actually equivalent to 5. That will give me 3 plus y equals to 5, and therefore my y will be 5 minus 3 equivalent to 2. So we have the value of our x, which is negative 2, and y, which is 2.
Same rule applied for subtraction to get the value of x and y. So 6 minus x minus 1 is 2. 5 minus x is equals to 2. So your x will be 3. To find the value of y, 7 minus y plus 3 is 11. So 7 minus y minus 3 equals to 11. 4 minus y is equals to 11. So y is equals to negative 7.
It's a wrap from the Creative Heads.
5
Azalea 2016. Bye! Ready, oh no, cannot touch. Kasaba. 3, 1, take 1. Okay. Good. You start up. Teacher. Just like.
Take one. Action.
Wrong lah.
Take one. Scene one. Action.
It's scene one, take one.
Second subtopic of matrices. Addition and subtraction of matrices. Hey. Second subtopic of matrices. Addition and subtraction of matrices.
Poetry. It's a rap from Creative Hits. Bye Malaysia 2016. Where's the fun? Wow. Fire.
Ayo.
Wait, the fire asalnya macam tak serentak kan? Ada. Satu one thing. 2016. It's a rap from Creative Hits. Bye Malaysia 2016. And you thought we are done? Not yet. You have a task to complete right now.